Right, so we're going to Emo. I'm going to get some polish and different cleaning stuff for the car. We've had to bring my daughter because she's so naughty. Nobody will look after her.
And then after we go to Emo, Chris gonna treat me on pizza.
No, Chris isn't. We're gonna show you the big pizza place, guys.
Yeah, it's a new shop.
It's a new shop that's opened, and the pizzas are like 36 inches.
Yeah, I think.
I mean, massive, massive. See what she's doing? So we'll see you when we get to the pizza place, I think. There's all the security and police stuff. You want to buy holster belts for your guns and your ammo. This is a roast chicken place. This is new. There's another pizza place just here, I think, but the pizzas here are awful. They're very cheap and very awful. Let's just show you here, look, the prices. There you go, 130 pesos, 280 for ham and cheese Hawaiian, 1.25 soft drinks. Yeah, but they're not good. Right, we're going looking for this pizza joint. I keep saying, where is it? Just here. Then we get just here. Where is it? Oh, it's over there. Okay, where is it? It's just over here. There you go. So we've got to take our life in our hands crossing the road on a crossing. But at least if I get knocked over, it's on video. See the camera and the stop. So to see the camera and the stop. I don't know how much of this pizza place we're going to be able to video. I guess if we're not buying anything, it's going to be a bit of a pain. Now I promised Mel one of them big 36-inch pizzas for her birthday. I think it's about 1,700 pesos, something like that. I'm not sure she's worth 1,700 though. I'm thinking about it.
What?
Nothing, I said you Maganda. She's 34 next birthday, guys.
Sunday.
She keeps saying she's only 21. Well, we know what that is, don't we?
Do I look like 34?
No, you don't look like 34. You don't look a day over 40, babe. Well, if you hadn't told me, babe, I wouldn't have known this place was here. Just going next to the little church. Where's the little church down here? There's one good thing about the Philippines, you'll never starve. There's food places everywhere. I don't know where she's going now. So, Mark gave up the shop, the sari store, to her daughter, Mane. And Mane's taking quite a bit of money. She's excited, but I'm saying to her, well, how much profit is that? Oh, I don't know. So she might be taking the money, but she's not making the money. This is the pizza place. This is where you get 36-inch pizzas. Ah, okay. I was expecting it being a shop, and it's not. It's only a little pizza place, look. In pizza we crust. That's very good.
It's the bigger. 36 by 36 size. It's 1,400.
36 inches is 1,400.
Yes. This is the hard part.
The hard one.
Shape.
So for your
this one, Mom,
your birthday, you want
also
that
a hard
one?
shape from this one. Okay.
So for your birthday, you want that one?
Yeah, I want that.
So we're
You
gonna
promised to me you
here.
wanna buy me
Well, have you got it on video? Have you got it in writing?
Kuya, pwede magpaano na, tawag doon, magpa-reserve? Yes po. Yeah, you can, you can reserve.
Alright, yeah.
About the delivered?
Regarding po sa delivery, we have our own delivery service and we have also a delivery charge po.
Magkano?
Depende po ma'am sa
Hindi lang, sa Abelia. Yeah, they can deliver it now.
There you
Because
go.
before they don't have it, now they have now.
Share ko lang po.
Sige.
Saan po sa Abelia?
Kaya bus. Sa may malapit sa second gate ng UNC. Second
So,
gate.
I guess, do you want a pizza, Mark?
Yeah, sure.
So we'll get that one.
Now?
Yeah.
The small one.
Huh?
It's only small.
I'm not...
What?
What are you on about? That's 500 pesos.
65 pesos only po ma'am. For
60.
delivery po.
65 only for delivery.
I love how they say only. 65 pesos lang, sir.
You want to buy now pizza? You treat me as well? Oh, you're so generous.
I think it's only right we'll buy a pizza, Mark.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, I've got special permission from the owner, whose name is Diane, and she's going to allow me to film her making a pizza. So we're buying one today, and if it's really nice, which I'm guessing it will be by the looks of it, when we get asked, I'm not going to say shakies anymore.
Yeah.
I'm going to direct everybody to here.
The pizza names, it's called Mikoy's.
Toys there. So if you look where we are, if you come from Plaza over here to go to SM, you know where it is. You just come out of Plaza, turn left. So guys, my battery ran out, so I'll show you this. There's the Jollibee that burnt down, and they've just opened it up again, and you can see where the monument is. If you go around that way, you're at Plaza, so you can see there's the McDonald's over there, the, what's that mall called again? The E-Mall's just here, look. So if you come down here, Robinson's Bank, go to the end of the road and turn right, then you're into Plaza again. I just thought I'd show you, like I say, me damn battery, the camera's getting very hot and the battery's draining very quickly. I thought I'd brought the spare, but I didn't. Naga Cycle Center. Now, while we've been at home, we've been asking people if they've bought pizza from here, and they have, and they say it's nice, they'd buy it again. So, nothing better than recommendation, as they. So we're going to buy a smaller one today, and on the 31st, it's Mel's birthday. I promised I'll buy her the big 36-inch one, and it's 1400, not 1700, like I said before. So hopefully we'll see it getting made. Oh, gotta have some hand sanitizer, definitely. Can you hold that? Some hand sanitizer on my hands.
That's the box. For 36 by 36.
Yeah, that's the box look that it comes in. Look how big it is. Hey, I think that's good value, you know.
Yeah. It's for good for, I think, I don't know.
Good value, definitely.
They had as well a shawarma. shawarma. You know shawarma?
Shawarma.
Yes.
What's up with that?
Sa classic, buy one take one. Yes po. Ano ng beef marrow.
Yeah, so they do the smaller pizzas as well. It's not just the big pizzas they do. Look. And they also do drinks. Cheesecake. Oh, that looks good. 85 pesos for a 16 ounce. 105 pesos for a 22 ounce. Look very nice. What do you?
Yeah.
That's something Mel would drink.
This one is buy one take one.
Buy one take one.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
For only 300.
300 pesos.
Ay, wait. I just asked.
I think this guy's ordered the 36-inch pizza. Have you ordered the 36? Can I video?
Yes.
There's all the smaller pizzas to do. It's buy one take one for the $2.99. And this is the one we're going to get, look, just to see how it tastes. Mind you, Mel's ordered the 36-inch for the 31st. I said I'd buy. So it's pretty, oh it's here, look how big it is. My God.
You think it's gonna fit to our door?
No. There you go. Is that all for you?
Yes.
My God. Party. That's one hell of a pizza.
Ano yung order mo?
Yung order po, kung ano pong order, ito pong gulay.
So there you go. Look, there's a picture, they do the 36-inch in a love heart, look. But I'm guessing you'd lose some of the pizza, you know, if it wasn't round. So I don't think I'd have it done in a love heart. But you can see from her sitting down how big it is. And it feeds from 15 to 18 people. So you've got to have a bit of a party, haven't you? So the sign says Mikoi's Pizza, and it says it's on Pania Francia corner. So there you go. It's pretty easy to find, guys, and they've only been open a few days, and the time we've been stood here there's been loads of people ordering. You've just seen that guy get one of the biggest pizzas and put it in his 4x4. I don't even think we'll get that through our door. So we've ordered it anyway for the 31st, so they're going to deliver it around 5. So it looks like Mel will have a nice birthday party. Do you know what? As long as these Filipinos have food, nothing much else matters. A little bit of alcohol as well, and they have a good day. Although Mel doesn't drink, so she might have a San Mig apple or something like that. She's looking a bit lost, bless her. Her foot's killing her, and she's walked with me into town. I said let's get her for Jack. She says no, I won't, and she's limping. It's very busy in Naga today, very busy.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,